In this video, I'm going to talk about the water element personality and how to navigate through the chaos of summer. Sit tight. Welcome back to another video. My name is Jen Palco. Today we're going to talk primarily water element and the water element personality. And if you are familiar with the water element personality, you know that, and if you have strong water within you, you know that you're very introspective person, maybe a little more introverted. You like to just curl up in a ball in winter, and you're not necessarily into being like extravagant and drama and everything that comes with the season of summer, which is like going to the beach and crowds and parties and excitement. While you like some of this stuff, if you have a strong water element within you, you probably are like, back up, like it's a little much, it's overwhelming for you. And that's what I'm going to primarily focus on in this video, because now that we're into summer, you may be feeling, you may be seeing, outside in their bathing suits and shorts and everybody, all these parties going on and barbecues and all these people who love going to the beach and sitting out in the sun all day, and you're just like, you're like, I don't want to take my capris off and show my pale legs, like I'm just gonna wait for winter to come back along, But I want to talk about how actually, using this season of fire can benefit you. Okay, if you have no idea what I'm talking about and you have no idea, you're like, oh, what's my element? What are you talking about, Jen? I suggest you check out some of my other videos. I've done a video on each, 5-element personality type. This is talking from, Chinese medicine, 5 elements: fire, earth, metal, water, wood. And primarily, while, all the elements correspond to different things in our bodies, organ systems, manifestation of emotions and even disease traits or how we handle stress. I'm going to focus on personality because a lot of people want to know about themselves and personality. And we do have all 5 types, elements within our bodies, within us, how we see the world, how we navigate through the world. But we usually have 1 or 2 elements that are stronger. You could call it our constitution, you could call it our primary element, whatever you want to call it. But I suggest you check out some of those other videos, see which element you may resonate with the most and be like, wow, that sounds a lot like me. Or you could be a combo of a couple different elements, and that's completely normal. But water. So if you're the type of person right now and you're just like, I like summer, but I don't. It's a little too much for me. Just realize that, like I said, it's a nice balance, because while summertime and a lot of those fiery people, very young, energy, vibrant, dramatic, all kinds of stuff, can be scattered, can be a little chaotic. Water people are actually good in chaos. When they're in balance, they can be good in chaos. If you think about water, it can just flow around the drama and the chaos and come back into its own form, into its own shape, right? And it takes on many shapes. If you think of like an ocean, or it's very powerful. So while fire is vibrant and bright and flashy, water has this innate, like calm, powerful energy. It's more quiet. It can be loud, like the roar of the ocean, but it has this very calm stillness power to it, okay? And that's what I'm talking about here, is that nice balance where this season, fire season, can pull water people out of their turtle shell a little bit. We can use this season to help pull us out a little bit, because we can get too deep, too hidden, too secretive, too much inside our own thoughts, our own bodies, whatever, too still in a way. So, summer is a good way to kind of pull it out a little bit. But here's the catch. You have to know your limitations with people, boundary setting, that kind of thing. And I'm going to give you 3 tips to help you navigate through this season. And like I said, the first one is using the season to back you up, to pull you out a little bit of the shell you've been hiding in, to get you out, to do a little more. It pushes you a little bit. So use the extra energy of the season to push you, but also keep your stance, okay? Know where your limitations are. And this is part of nourishing your mother element, which would be metal. And metal is about boundaries, it's about self-respect, values. So you have to, really incorporate that in to find that nice balance of, okay, I'm going to do a little bit, go to this party, I'm going to go to the beach, but I'm not going to let other people drain my energy, because they will drain your energy. Number 2 is protecting yourself, protecting the foundation. So, water element has to do with the kidneys and the urinary bladder, and the kidneys are like the foundation of our body in Chinese medicine. So it's like our life force. We have to take care of that and protect our life force from other people. So protect yourself from other people's emotions and drama. Again, this goes with setting boundaries, enhancing that metal element within you, which is nourishing your water. But it's taking care of yourself, remembering that you still have to sleep. Even though it's lighter out later, you still have to sleep. You still need rest and recharge more than other people, just because you have strong water within you. You can't keep going and going and going, otherwise you will drain yourself. You will deplete your life battery, maybe more so than other people. So you can't pull all-nighters anymore, maybe, right? And you have to recognize that, okay, I'm not 18 anymore, and I need the rest and recharge. I need to eat for my body. So incorporating foods that are going to help your water element, like naturally salty foods, okay? Seaweed, saltwater fish, nuts, seeds, legumes, miso, anything like that, okay? To enhance, to really, help this element and keep it nourished and safe for yourself. Also, in summertime, people drink a lot of ice water and cold frozen foods. Just be mindful that can tax your system as a water element. So maybe try to stay away from a lot of the really frozen ice water all the time that we like in the heat. And number 3, using the depths of your soul, combining it with the playful side of fire. So maybe introducing something new into your world this summer, something more on the playful side, that combines, that innate wisdom that you have. So as a water person, you like to go deep. You can go very, very deep inside. You think a lot, maybe more than most people, or as like a fire person is more up here, scattered. They like flashy, like talking to people and parties and fun and vibrant energy. But as a water person, you can really tap into something deeper than that, okay? That's why some people can call you an enigma at times. But you have a lot of creative potential inside of you, and a lot of wisdom you've picked up, and you're always seeking truth. So if you can combine that energy with more playful side of water and introduce something new, say, maybe if you're taking yoga, do like animal flow, which is more like instinctual, taking up an instrument, free flow writing or dancing, or something that's not so like concrete where you can just let it move through your body. Because water does like to flow, right? So you may be doing Tai Chi or Qigong, things like that, more flowy things, but anything that really, just more playful. Take some of that innate stuff within you, that really hardcore, you're a very introspective person, right? You could be introverted, but take some of that stuff and bring it out more to the surface where you're moving and you're dancing and you're, free flow rapping or something, and make it fun for yourself. And if you really want to push your limits, do it with other people or maybe a small group, because you're going to be like, I don't know if I'm going to take a dance class or something like that. That's a little much. Again, know your boundaries, know your limitations with people. Maybe take it once a week and not like 3 times a week, and that way you can recharge from the energy of other people. But really using this season for creativity is an awesome way to tap into this combination of fire and water. So it's about knowing who you are, what you are, how you work, how you function in the world, knowing that you need the rest, you need the recharge from other people, you need to like back away, but testing out your limits a little, because the season of summer and fire has all this young energy to it. So naturally, we're gonna have a little boost more than we would in winter, where we just wanna like curl up in a ball, read a book, and just nobody talk to me. Fire, we can use the season to pull a little of ourselves out, to not be so closed off from the world. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below what you think, whether you have strong water within you. I have strong water within me too, but I have other mix of other things, not strong in fire apparently, and wood, but anyway, let me know your thoughts. Subscribe. I put out new videos every single week on all kinds of cool topics: Chinese medicine, 5 element stuff, self-cultivation, self-empowerment. Hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.